Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada. Welcome to my channel. It has been more than a year since I started my vlogging journey. I could remember the moment I started shooting and saying hey guys for the first time as my opening spiel, and then I didn't think something about it. At least I have something to look at, especially my worth remembering adventures. I'm not even good at it, and I don't even know how to play the game of YouTube. I'm just using a smartphone while filming and editing it. But as long as I am really happy and I am having fun with what I'm doing, because of that, it made me make more and more videos every week. There was this time that I almost upload like every day, but I had stopped up because I was busy with something else. I do have work, I do have responsibilities, I have adventures, and there's a lot of time to consume, especially in editing. So that stopped, and I just upload like at least once a week, but at least I am enjoying doing it. And also, yeah. Because of that fun and excitement while filming and editing, I don't even realize I am already doing this naturally. Like, naturally? No, I'm not a pro, of course, I'm not a pro. I'm just a hobbyist, and there's a real big contrast from my first vlog, like my current vlog. I was really awkward during my first vlog, but it's a continuous improvement that I would really encourage, or I would love to share it to you guys, especially for those who are aspiring vloggers which are really scared or really shy of, you know, of pursuing. As long as you're having fun of what you're doing and it's not a burden, it's actually not a burden, it's a hobby, keep on doing it, keep on creating, and there's nothing wrong about it. Time passed by really fast. I didn't realize that it was already a year. I am so glad and flattered on how much the support I get, especially to my family and friends, and of course to you, the subscribers, the viewers, the followers who keep on supporting my craft. It is so heartwarming to receive messages from subscribers and random people saying that when they watch my videos, it's like they're at home. It wipes their stress away, and it gives them good vibes, especially for a hard day. And I did not expect that to happen, because my videos are just, I don't know, they're just my random adventures and they're just fun. Did not expect that to happen, but thank you very much for that. It keeps me going on and it motivates me to do more. And I hope you still love and continue supporting. Yeah, I'm just grateful that I have you guys, my subscribers, my loyal subscribers who keep on commenting, viewing, sharing this video. Thank you so much.
What's up, man? Nice mic.
But you know, life is tricky and you have to dwell on things that you need to focus on. As they say, you cannot serve two masters at the same time. And because of that, I am planning to quit on vlogging. Yes, you heard that. I am planning to quit on vlogging. It's not quit. My blog, foureyedlaagan, will be there and will always be there. I will still pay for the domain and host, but I won't be focusing on creating more contents in my blog. And I decided to focus on my YouTube channel, my vlog, and creating videos. Why did I do that? Why would I do this? I don't know. Probably the universe says that I need to focus on one thing, which is the one that's my original passion. Creating videos, graphics design, I don't know. Perhaps I just continue doing this kind of stuff. Actually, vlogging is, I'm not really serious about this one, but instead I'm still at the part where this is my hobby. It's actually my life right now. I have work and I have this as my life. So I don't have any sport. I do have some photography, but this one I consider as my pastime and hobby, and it provides me happiness. And though I'm not really good at it, but I'm sure it's a continuous improvement. And I hope you stick with me, and I hope you will be happy and understand my decision. I just need to focus on one thing, and it's gonna be vlogging. So all followers, subscribers, readers, sharers, likers, my friends and family, you rock. You rock. Without you, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be inspired to create content. I just like to take this opportunity in my 100th vlog to say thank you very much. Daghang salamat. Arigatou gozaimashita. I hope you stay and support my content, my vlog, and I hope you enjoy the videos that I'm gonna be creating. Once again, thank you very much. Share peace and love, and see you in the next season of CJ Estrada.
That I believe that the best car in the world will not take you to the right place if you do not know where to go.